Hello guys, welcome to Jaybest. Today we'll be seeing how we can schedule post on Facebook page. Okay, so the first thing to do is for us to download the app called Facebook Manager. This is the app here, the Facebook Manager app. You need to download it from Google Play Store, then launch it. After launching it, then you fill up with your files. Now this is my Facebook page, Jaybest Tech. So now I want to schedule a post for you. So the first step it takes for you to come this post icon and click on it. Post icon. I'll be posting a video. Okay, let me post this one. Okay, now let me write something. The video is all about. Okay, you can see it now. I filled up the description form already. Just view. I name it just view. Then I add 3 hashtags. After this, all you need to do is to click on the next icon at the top right. Okay, click on it. Then you see this place that says, how do you want to publish this? You click on it. Then you see something like schedule. You see post, and you see schedule. You want to enter this schedule. You select the dates. Okay, I want this one to be published by tomorrow. Okay, the time I want it to be by 6:30 a.m. I want to be by 6:30 a.m. Then you enter set date. Tap on the set date. You are done. You enter schedule now. You can see it now. Like that, your schedule post is on this way. With this, you are done. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. If you find this video interesting, please do wait to subscribe to this channel and also to give it a thumbs up. And also you can share the video with your friend if you find it helpful for them also to know how they can share to post their videos on Facebook, on the Facebook page. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to share and ask us a question concerning this video or concerning any videos. See you in the next video.